Hi, I'm Sue and I work for the Brentwood Schools Christian Worker Trust. Now today's story is all about a small baby, his brave mum and his even braver big sister.
Hello everybody, it's Anthea here. Now I've had a really exciting week this week learning all about baby Moses, and it's a story I'd like to share with you now. A long time ago in Egypt, a family of God's people were living under the rule of the new King Pharaoh. He didn't love God and he didn't want to serve him either, and Pharaoh made the people work very hard. Now Amram and Jochebed had recently had a new baby boy. They were very happy in their new family. There was Miriam and Aaron and now baby Moses. And they looked after baby Moses and loved him very much. One day, King Pharaoh ordered that all the new baby boys in the land had to be killed when they were born. He was afraid that the strong Hebrew people might take over his country, and he did not want that to happen. So from his palace he sent out a new law. Jochebed was so upset about this. She prayed to God and asked him to help her. She didn't want to lose her baby boy. She believed that God would help her save baby Moses. She talked to Miriam, and she and Miriam made a plan. She decided to hide baby Moses in a waterproof basket and put him by the edge of the River Nile each day. And then Miriam would hide in the bulrushes and watch over him. She trusted that God would protect him from any danger. One day the Egyptian princess came down to swim in the river with her maid. When she heard the baby crying, she sent her maid to fetch the basket. "Oh," said the princess, "this must be one of the Hebrew babies. Oh, I must help him, he is so hungry." And at that point, Miriam came out of her hiding place. She offered to go and find one of the Hebrew ladies to look after him for the princess. Of course, she went to fetch the baby's mother, Jochebed. "Please take this baby home and nurse him for me, and I will pay you for your help," said the princess to Jochebed. So Jochebed took baby Moses back home to Amram and looked after him until he was old enough to go back to the palace. I think this story really shows how God looks after us even in difficult times. It's good to trust him, it's good to pray to him, it's good to ask for his help.
What a story! How scary! But it worked out okay at the end. I wonder how Miriam, Moses' big sister, felt as she watched over him in that basket. Is there someone that you can watch out for today? Well, I hope you enjoyed that story. It's been great to see you again. See you next time. Bye.